Okay. Today the topic we are going to see is trigonometry. What is the use of trigonometry? See, this is like an tower. If you try to calculate the height of the tower mean, the one way is you have to go in the top and use the longest rope to calculate this height. And if you try to find the width of this river mean, you have to go that side and you have to calculate this using the rope or tape. But using the trigonometry, you can find these values without going the opposite position. So this is an use of trigonometry. Okay. I hope you are know what is Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Uh, Take right angle triangle and this is a perpendicular A, B, C. This is an hypotenuse, this is base, this is perpendicular side. So if you want to know the side A to C side mean AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. This is a formula to find the this side. Not only this side, you can find AB square side, BC square side. If you know two side of this angle. For example, this is an 3, this is an 4 mean. You can use this one 3 if you try to find this side means AC square equal to 3 square plus 4 square. So AC equal to 25, root equal to 5. So you can find this side using the Pythagoras theorem. But if you know trigonometry mean, you can find this side without knowing one side of this. If you know angle of this side and the perpendicular side this side mean, you can easily find this value without knowing this side. Trigonometric ratio. What is trigonometric ratio? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. The formula for the sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, and cos theta is base by hypotenuse. For tan, perpendicular by base. For cosecant, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. Cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. So hypotenuse by perpendicular, then secant is 1 by cos theta. So hypotenuse by base, for cot 1 by tan theta. So base by perpendicular. Okay, this is a ratio for it is a trigonometric ratio, and the questions like A, B, C, that tan theta equal to root 3. If tan theta equal to root 3, then what is an sin theta? You know what is an tan theta? Tan theta equal to the formula is perpendicular by base. So perpendicular by base, they already given root 3 by 1. Base mean this is an base side, this is an hypotenuse, this is an perpendicular. Base side is 1 and perpendicular side is root 3. For the sin theta, you have to know perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular side is root 3. For the hypotenuse, You know the AC square formula for finding this side value. So AC square equal to, that means H square equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square is root 3 plus BC is 1 square. So H square equal to 4. So H equal to root 2, root 4. The answer is 2. Now you know H equal to 2. So sin theta equal to root 3 by 2. This is how we use the trigonometric ratio to find the asking angle sin theta.